Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I have something I'm really excited for, and it's actually something a few people have asked for in the comments of other videos. So without keeping you any longer, today we have PC Gamer's wireless headset of the year. This is the Steelseries Arctis 7 lossless wireless gaming headset. So looking at the front of the box, the very top, even above the Steelseries logo and branding, you have this nice little gold bar that wraps around the entire box, letting you know that this is PC Gamer's wireless headset of the year. Just below that, of course, like I said, the Steelseries brand and logo, followed by a picture of the headset you should expect to get in this box, this one being black, as I believe it also comes in white. Just to the right of that picture, you have the Arctis 7, so the model number. Then just below that, telling you what it is, the lossless wireless gaming headset. And then over here across the bottom, just a few little points about this, little features, like it's lossless 2.4G wireless, clearcast mic, game chat balance, as well as DTS response version 2.0, and that this is for the PC. However, this will work on consoles, as you see when we look at the side a little bit later. So looking at the right side now, as you can see, gold bar still wraps around the entire thing. Then just following that, you have a little blurb here letting you know that esports athletes have won more prize money using Steelseries products than any other brand. Well, I'm not sure how to validate that or if it's even true. I'm sure it could be. But that is some great marketing there, because I'm sure people that don't even follow esports would be like, wow, pro gamers use this? Oh, must be the best. Then just following that, which actually I hear that it is quite the best. Following that is just some other awards that this is one, saying the Arctis line, acclaimed like no other. And you have awards from like accredited places like Digital Trends, Tom's Guide, IGN, all saying like best gaming accessory, best overall headset, best gaming headset. So that lets you know that this is going to be a quality product. And then, of course, sliding it up a little bit, you got the bottom, just with your little model and brand, again, Steelseries Arctis 7. But that's it for this side, so how about we quickly flip it over, look at the other side, which again, starts with the gold bar all the way around, because this was PC Gamer's wireless headset of the year. Your model and branding at the top this time being the Steelseries Arctis 7, followed by the included cables, which are your USB, wireless transmitter, your 4-pole 3.5mm cable, and then your USB charging cable. Just under that, you have your connection set up, so how you would connect it to certain things, like you would use your wireless dongle or wireless transmitter there if you want to use this on a Windows, a Mac, or PlayStation. The only thing is, if you want to use this on a Switch, you're not able to use the wireless up, so you'd have to plug it in via your 4-pole to 3.5mm cable. Just down in the little fine print here, it also says that chat mix and DTS surround are not available when you're using it with the 3.5mm cable adapter. So under that, you have, of course, the wireless specifications, as you can see, being the type 2.4 GHz lossless, your range at 40 feet or 12 meters, and then your battery life being 24 hours, followed by the specifications for your headphones, with your impedance, your frequency response, THD, which I'm not really sure what that is, and your sensitivity. Then last but not least, you got the microphone specs, which is your bidirectional noise cancelling, sensitivity, and your frequency response. So looking at the back here, once again, not much, very minimal, however, all the information that you need to make a informed purchase, I'd say. Up at the top, your gold band with PC Gamer Wireless Headset of the Year, because this is a winner. Nah, but honestly, this everybody says it's a great headset. Just below that, you got your model and brand again, the Steelseries Arctis 7, with an image of the headset laying down with its mic extended, just beside its wireless transmitter there. Underneath there, you just have a few little quick things about the product, some information. That it's 2.4 gig lossless wireless, so it's designed for gaming. The 2.4G connection delivers rock solid, lossless wireless audio with ultra low latency and zero interference, which is nice. Then it's also Discord certified, widely recognized as the best mic in gaming. The Discord certified Clearcast microphone delivers studio quality voice clarity and background noise cancellation. Then the third one here is your Game and Chat, which lets you know that the on-ear chat mix dials lets you balance and adjust the volume between your game and chat audio directly from your headset. Last but not least here, well, might actually be least, I'm not sure. You have the DTS headphone version 2.0. Next generation DTS Headphone X version 2.0 surround sound provides optimal spatial imaging for complete 360-degree immersion. Then under that, of course, you have the same things in French and Dutch, I believe. But that's about it for the back. So let's quickly look at the top, which is very minimal. We'll flip that around. Just letting you know that this is the most awarded gaming headset line. And of course, your name and model again. Then on the bottom, there's tons of information that I'd love to read to you. Tell you what it says. However, I really can only understand the serial number and barcode sticker here, letting you know that this is the Arctic 7 in black, designed in Denmark. Then just a little blurb over here, saying if you need more information and support, to go to steelseries.com, and that this device complies. So your FCC rules and legal stuff. But other than that, maybe you can read that stuff. I can't, unfortunately. But that's it for the box, so I think it's about time that we opened it up and got into it. Now, to open this box, I should just have to pull this flap and release the top. However, they did something I hate that companies do. Not all of them do it, but a lot do. And they chose to put their little sticker tape right over the flap. It just makes it so much more difficult. You could really put the sticker here so I can cut it there, or put the sticker here so I can cut it. But no, you make it so I have to cut here, I have to cut inside there, I have to cut there if I don't want to damage the box. And I'm OCD, not diagnosed, just I don't like to damage my boxes. So, I got my trusty X-Acto knife out. We're going to try and cut these 3 sections without damaging the box. I got my little blue unboxing knife. I'm going to just remove the protector there. Let's see if we can't get into this without ruining the box. So I'm going to slide right in there. Alright, that piece seems to be cut. I'll slide in here. Okay, that seems to be cut. Now we just... oh, there we go. I hope I got that on camera. But I'm pretty sure I got all the tape cut. This should just open. Oh, I forgot to cut down the sides. But it did open. That's good. Let's put that over there so I don't cut myself. And now we can release the top and show you what's inside. Oh, if it wants to release. There we go. Ta-da! A black box. Oh, center that. Okay, so I guess what we're going to have to do is put it on its side. Just pull this out. Oh, well, I guess we want to pull it out this way. Revealing this nice little front image here. Rise up. We don't play games to escape reality. We play to rewrite it. We're the esports professionals and the pub stars, the 1 horsepower heroes, and the bottom of the scoreboard zeros. The streamers and the dreamers. Whether you win, lose, or rage quit, that's all on you. But remember that reality is not a limit. GLHF, whatever that is. And then just some images of, I'm guessing an esports gamer and his manager or something? I'm not sure. But it looks like this is just kind of a little flap here. Take that off. It should reveal the headset right there. Nice little plastic carrier holding everything right where it should be. In the middle right here, I believe, is your wireless transmitter. Let's yank that out. Oh, that's in there really tight. Yeah, there it is. Oh, that looks like really long cable, unless that's multiple cable. Yeah. Okay. So there's your, looks to be USB-C or micro USB to USB Type A. We'll look at that in a minute. Then here's your 3.5 millimeter adapter. All right. So that would be your charging cable. That's right. And then you have your wireless transmitter, which is terminated with the USB Type A. And you have, oh, so that's not all in there. Let's take a quick look. Have a button here, which I guess we'll have to see. Maybe that's a pairing button. Then you have a line in right there and line out right there on the right side. So that's pretty neat. Okay, have to check that out. And finally, I think there's only one thing left in here, and that would be the headset itself. So let's pull this out and get rid of the plastic. Oh, there's one more thing underneath. Taped in here, nice. Let's see if I can pull it out. All right. Little silica gel pack, but nobody needs to see that. And this right here, I'm guessing, is your Steelseries manual. Let's take a quick look at that. Toss the packaging away. It's one of your love it or hate it things. They would like your feedback. Get this from tons of companies nowadays. And this is your Arctic 7 product information guide. Basically a manual. Got your Steelseries engine, welcome to Arctis, your table of contents, so if there's anything you'd want to know, this is where you'd find where to look for it. Help on your product overview, charging, powering, pairing, how to set up your line in out, microphone, ski goggles headband, system settings for Windows and Mac, and then your translation. So it's pretty neat. It's got all the information you would need. It's a headset. I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. Okay, so I got rid of all the packaging and manuals. Now we can take a closer look at this headset. This headset does seem to have movable, rotatable ear cups, which is very good, so won't be fatiguing, or, you know, it'll form like your head no matter what size you got. If it's a little off, you know, it'll fit right to it without, you know, being up too far on one side or down on the other side. Then starting off here with, let's go with the left ear cup. You have, of course, just this little peel protecting it, protective cover, which I'll take off in a little bit. And the Steelseries logo, if you can see that right there underneath, I'll kind of peel that a bit. See if you can see that. All right. And that just covers both the sides, which are plastic. Over here you have your microphone on-off button, I believe, and then your volume control. Just under that you have the mobile cable jack, and just below that is your headphone share jack, followed by your micro USB charging jack and your retractable microphone. Quickly looking at the other cup, once again, you have the peel with the Steelseries logo, if you can see it there. It's kind of glossy on the matte actual background of the headset. Then for controls on this ear cup, you have your game chat mix, which goes up or down, and it does end at each point, so it's not a continuous loop. And then there is a little click right in the middle if you can hear it. That little click, that lets you know that you're in the middle of your game chat mix volume. Just under that is your power button. So that would be your on, off, obviously. But that's about it for this ear cup, I think. For the controls anyways. The feel of them. It's not a leather, it's like a fabric, of course. But it's very soft. Soft but firm, if like you understand what I'm trying to say. The clamping force, it's not too loose like other headsets I've owned before. This actually feels like it should stay on good, but won't hurt, right? You won't get fatigued from wearing it for a long period of time. These straps here, I love these straps. It's so much better than having like just a piece of plastic, or in the case of this, actually metal, right on the top of your head to dig in or something. They are adjustable on the sides here, as you can see, with the Steelseries logo. It's just Velcro, I believe. So you undo that and then tighten or loosen the strap to fit you, right, as you can see. Just goes right in through there. Make it however long or you need. So that's neat. As I said, both cups rotate about 90, 100 degrees or so. And that's about it for the headset itself. Feels very, very sturdy, made with good quality materials. I could see this lasting me quite a while, actually. I know I've been wanting one for a while, but I think I'm even more of a fan of these now that I have them in hand. Well, I guess it's time to look at the included accessories that came with the Steelseries Arctis 7 lossless wireless gaming headset. The first one, right here, is your mobile to console cable, which plugs in on your headset with this end, and the other end here going to your console controller or console itself to give you game audio, however that would connect. One thing is with the PlayStation, this says that you can use the wireless transmitter, so I'm guessing these work wirelessly with the PlayStation. It doesn't say anything about the Xbox, so I'm not sure, and I don't have one, so I'm not able to test it. Maybe in the future that's something I could possibly do. But for now, if you want to connect this to a switch, this is the cable you would have to use. Now the next included cable, as we just said, is the wireless transmitter. Right here, I know we already went over this a little bit, but as you can see, it's USB Type A, and it's got the little Steelseries branding on the end, letting you know that this cable is for your headset, which I'm pretty sure most of them actually have. If we look at the next cable quickly, yeah, it does have the Steelseries logo on it. So that's pretty neat. I like that, because not always do you know, oh, is this the proper cable for it? I know, but maybe that's just me. Anyways, looking at the end here on the wireless adapter, you have the line in and line out, as well as I'm pretty sure your pair button right here, and a little indicator light underneath the Steelseries name that goes right across the top. But that's it for that cable. How about we check out this last little one that you just saw? And this being your headset's charging cable, which is a USB-A Type 2, so USB 2.0 Type A to a micro USB. So, and it looks fairly decent. You would plug this end into your headset, this end into your computer, power brick, whatever you're going to use to charge it. And it looks fairly decent. Like, if it had to go to the back of your computer or to a power bar or something, looks like you'd at least have enough room to reach a desk or side table or something. So, that's good. And as I said, you got the little Steelseries logo on both sides, both ends of the USB, letting you know, hey, this cable is for your Steelseries products. But that's about it for the included items with the Steelseries Arctis 7 lossless wireless gaming headset. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Steelseries Arctis 7 wireless gaming headset. If you're interested in learning more about this headset, or possibly picking one up for yourself, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check. This is for everyone that stuck around to the end of the video. Peel time. Wow, so anticlimactic. Let's try one more. Well, hope it was worth it.